AzonPress comes with a collection of Gutenberg blocks that make it easier to display your affiliate products in different styles. These blocks gives you plenty of ways to highlight products, add reviews, and organize your affiliate content. No shortcodes, nothing complicated. And AzonPress automatically pulls product details from the Amazon site instantly. There are quite a few blocks available, but in this video, I filter out the top 3 for you. Those are the most useful for building effective affiliate posts. Alright, let's see how it all works. First, open the page or post where you want to display your Amazon products. Click the plus icon, search for AzonPress, and you'll see all the available blocks. So let's start with the AzonPress Amazon block. With this block, you can create a product page and add product elements like the product link, city, and more. Inside this block, you will get another 3 different tabs for showing the Amazon products. Let's go with the product page tab for now. Just type your product name in the search bar and hit enter. Here are your searched products. You can even click load more from next page if you want to browse more. Then select the products you would like to add, whether it's a single one or multiple. It's completely up to you. After that, just pick a template for how you want them to appear and publish. And there you go. Your product page is ready. You have got a clean, professional layout that's ready to convert. Next, let's talk about the most popular one, the single product block. If you want to recommend individual products, then this block is a total time saver. Here's what you need to do. Add the block, paste your Amazon product link. You can even add products manually if needed. And AzonPress automatically pulls in everything. The name, image, price, and your affiliate button. You instantly get a nice product section inside your post. And of course, you can customize it however you want. For example, adjust the image size, button color, alignment, and more. All from the Gutenberg sidebar. Alright, moving on to one of my personal favorites, the pros and cons block. Readers love quick summaries, and this block lets you present the strengths and the weaknesses of a product side by side. Let's say you are promoting headphones. You can add great sound quality under pros and a bit bulky under cons. So this will show readers that you are being transparent, which is super important when recommending affiliate products. So definitely include this block. And that's it. I tried to cover 3 Gutenberg blocks from AzonPress that will instantly make your affiliate posts look better and work harder. So go ahead, try it out, and you'll see what works best for your audience. That's all for now. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.